Yo, I was about to make a good morning video, but there's a freaking eyelash in my damn eye. Oh my god, I wonder if I can see it. It's right there. I need to squeeze it out, but I don't. Okay. Good morning. Hey y'all, what it is? What's up? Welcome back to the first day of the last semester of dental hygiene school. That's right. Today is the last day. Yesterday would have been the last day, the last semester. Yesterday I actually would have made a video, but you know it's Texas, so if it drops below, honestly, honey, it dropped below about 40, and we're like, shut it down. Shut it down now. Wrap it up. Oh my God. I'm actually going over one of these bridges. I hope they salted this bridge, but I think they did. Because last time it froze, they did not salt this bridge, and baby, when I tell you I was slipping and sliding and gliding, honey. But we are on our way to school. Today we have community. And we have that from 9 to 12. Then we have lunch, and then after that there is another dental hygiene class. So Wednesday is completely didactic courses. Yesterday it would have been a clinic day. Tuesdays I have full clinic days. Monday I'm off. Wednesday full didactic day. Thursday is a full clinic day, and Friday is a half didactic day in the morning and then a half clinic day in the afternoon. So that is the schedule for this semester. I'm super excited. We've got patients already on the schedule. I'm ready to knock this out the park, okay? That's what I'm ready to do. I'm ready to finish this thing up. Let's take it home, baby. I will catch up with y'all at lunch. Ciao. Let's just do a quick, what did I bring back to school? Obviously, the loops. Gotta have those. Totally necessary. I brought back my Typodont because I needed that. I actually got some really cool free stuff. So this is chock full of things. I've got like, what do I have in here? I've got like all kinds of cute stuff. Hold on. Oops, did I rip the bag? Oh my God, that's so ghetto. I got a lot of cute stuff, right? We got like PPE, we got like varnish in here, disposable syringes, all kinds of cute stuff. Can I make this look cuter in any way? Yo, I tell you, I don't even know how y'all even watch my stuff. I am not the vlogger of the century, honey. Never will be. What else? Yeah, so I got a bunch of stuff in here. PPE. We've got like little prophy angles. Yeah. Oh, I even got some soft shine in here. I think they got me all kinds of flavors and all kinds of, yeah, see, this is a course, but what is it though? Primer, Xeroxide, girl, I don't know what that is. Let me Google it before I just start guessing what it is, honey. I'm like, oh yeah, this is a polish, and turns out it's like some kind of like ridiculous, I don't know, enamel etch or something. So I got some Cedicane as well, and some more prophy angles. Oh, it's not Cedicane technically. It contains, I believe, Cedicane. No, actually, it contains. I think this is benzocaine. Yeah, it's a 20% benzocaine. It's a gingercane. It's a topical. But yeah. Oh my God, my car is actually tied up in this thing. I needed to bring some extra scrubs. Hello, it's the wrong color, so that's why they're extra. But we can actually wear whatever scrubs we want on Fridays now. So, and then of course, these are my instruments. So, I gotta pack all this stuff inside now. Okay, I will see y'all. Ciao.
I was like,
welcome back, hot chocolate. Welcome back, ladies. It's the last semester. Hey guys, we are in the middle of a lunch. I'm gonna go grab some food from the calf. And honestly, I just got completely overwhelmed with community. Like, there's so many projects and shit to do. I'm like, oh no. Is this ice? It is. Oh my god. Woo. That's ice. But yeah. Oh my god, here we go. Here we go. To improve the oral health of the public, to advance art and science of dental hygiene, and to promote high standards of quality care. I pledge to continually to improve my professional knowledge and skills, to render a full measure of service to each patient entrusted to my care, and to uphold the highest standards of professional competence and personal conduct in the interests of the dental hygiene profession and the public it serves. Hey y'all, what it is, what's up? Okay, happy Thursday. It is officially the first day of clinic and the first day of the last clinic, y'all. The last clinic, honey. Yeah! I am so happy and so excited. I have a patient today. We have them all day, so hopefully we can finish scaling at least one quadrant. I have to finish up their perio exam. I have to do their hygiene care plan and treatment plan, and then once we get all of that figured out and done, we will be good to go. And I have a pretty good idea of like what I want the treatment plan to be, kind of. I do still have to finish perio charting because that's gonna for sure determine what I need to do, but yeah. Today should be pretty good, no complaints. Yesterday was a little overwhelming, I can't lie. Seems like we have a lot to do still. But if everyone did it last year, I'm sure we can all do it this year. So I will catch up with y'all after, or I'll catch up with y'all at lunch. Yeah, ciao. Hey y'all, what it is, what's up? I am leaving clinic for the day. Today was so good. Let's talk about it. Okay, y'all, so today was the first day of clinic, and I had a patient who I was seeing last semester. They kind of came at the end. We did like little radiographs and paperwork and stuff, and now we've gotten up to their scaling. And this patient actually suffers from like heavy staining, and today I only cleaned one quad. It's heavy staining and it's a Cal 2, or I'm sorry, Cal 3. So it's a little bit of a difficult, it's kind of difficult, but you know, it's actually fun. But oh my God, I'm telling you, still cleaning third molars is really hard for me. It's still hard, but today he saw the difference and he was like, oh my God, like, thank you. Like, he was so appreciative, and like that really made me realize like, oh yeah, there's a reason I'm doing this. Like, there's a reason, and like it actually makes a huge difference in people's lives. So that's so exciting. So now I'm actually about to go head to dinner with one of my besties, Lizzie, because she's heading back to where she lives in Cambodia. So I'm so excited to see her. I love her and her family. They're like my favorite. They're like my family outside of my family. So I'm gonna go ahead and have a delicious seafood dinner. And we have clinic and class tomorrow. So I would check in with y'all tomorrow morning before school. Ciao. Hey y'all, what it is, what's up? Good morning. I am on my way to school. Happy Friday. It's the last day of the week, and today we have a honestly, I don't know what the name of this course is, y'all. If I'm being honest, I have no idea what it's called. I don't know if it's not hygiene care, because I think another teacher teaches that, but I honestly don't know what the name of this class is, but I do know that one of our doctors teaches it, so that is super exciting. We have that, and then I have a patient coming in at 1 o'clock. It's a completely new patient. Now I'm trying to decide if I want to comp on this patient or not, because we do have plenty of competencies that we need to get done. So I need to think about that. I have a feeling that I'm not going to, because the only comp I would get done is EOIO, and the EOIO competency is the most failed competency, because we have to take pictures of anything that's technically abnormal, which there's plenty of normal things that are technically abnormal. So yeah, I need to make sure I do it on a patient who has, you know, possibly less extensive oral manifestations like petechia and linea alba, Fordyce granules, you know, all of those things that are technically not normal but are normal. So yeah, that's what we have going on today. I am super excited. Oh my god, I keep saying that because I'm so ready to be done. So I will catch up. I am, y'all. I'm so ready to be done. Okay, I will catch up with y'all at lunch or maybe after class, after clinic. Ciao. Hey y'all, what it is? What's up? Clinic is officially over, and guess what? My patient did not show up. Yep, my patient had some car trouble, so they weren't able to make it. So that's unfortunate, because I got basically a 0 for the day. And honestly, I haven't had that happen in a while, so you know, all my patients have been reliable, and I did confirm with the patient last night if they were going to be there and all of that. So you know, that could be very frustrating. Very, very, very frustrating. So you know, keep that in mind when you're in hygiene school. Like, you might have patients that cancel on you. You know, there's people who went through hygiene school and all their patients were perfect, did everything they needed for them, you know, but there are times where these patients are not going to show up. So it's important to make sure that you have a backup patient. Most people, it's their spouse, it's their partner, brother, cousin, somebody who lives down the street, or even a patient from the patient pool who is really, really reliable. I actually have a patient like that, but whenever somebody cancels, like, well, honestly, they didn't even cancel. I kind of reached out to them and they said they couldn't make it. So it was almost like a no call, no show. So yeah. So there was really I did go around campus to try and find some people, but I wasn't going to go trek around the whole campus because it was just so late. So now I'm going to stick with my patients who I know come in and like to get their teeth cleaned, and, you know, probably just see a lot of maintenance patients. But I am glad to see new patients. I need new patients. I need 3 new patients, actually, because I need to do 3 FMSs, or at least 3 patients who haven't had a full mouth series done in the past 3 to 5 years, basically. So yeah. So I didn't do much in clinic. I did a lot of paperwork, so that's good. Got that done. And then next week I actually go to my clinical rotation. So Tuesday I won't even be at school. And then Wednesday we'll actually be back in school. And then no school on Mondays, y'all. No school on Mondays. So that's it for this week. Oh my God, that was such a fast week. And honestly, it did not start off that well. Like, did not start off that well. Like, the patient cancellation, I ain't gonna lie, it pissed me off. I ain't gonna lie, it pissed me off, y'all. It pissed me off so bad. But anyway, I already know y'all tired of me ranting and rumbling. I'll feel perfectly fine next week when all my patients come in on time, okay? So y'all enjoy y'all's weekend. Y'all have some fun. I will catch up with y'all next week. Ciao.
Baby, tell me what you like. You're the only one I want.